In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable suggestions in Trello, step by step. If you've been seeing suggestion prompts inside Trello and you're not sure how to turn them off, or maybe you want to enable them again, this quick tutorial will walk you through the exact process. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find the setting and how to control it in just a few clicks. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy Trello tutorials, just like this one. Let's get started. First, open Trello in your browser and log into your account. Once you're inside your Trello workspace, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile avatar there. Go ahead and click on your avatar. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to your account. From that drop-down menu, click on Settings. This will take you to your Trello account settings page, where you can manage different preferences and configurations related to your profile and overall Trello experience. Now that you're on the settings page, you may need to scroll down to find the suggestions option. Trello places this setting further down in the list, so keep scrolling until you see it. Once you locate the suggestions section, you'll see the option to disable suggestions. If suggestions are currently enabled and you want to turn them off, simply click on Disable Suggestions. The change will apply immediately, and you should no longer see suggestion prompts within your Trello interface. If at any time you want to enable suggestions again, just return to the same settings area, scroll to the suggestions section, and toggle the option back on. It's that simple. This setting allows you to control whether Trello provides automated recommendations and prompts while you work on your boards. Disabling suggestions can help create a cleaner and less distracting interface, especially if you already know how you like to manage your tasks and boards. On the other hand, enabling suggestions can be helpful if you're new to Trello or want tips and guidance while organizing your projects. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to enable or disable suggestions in Trello quickly and easily. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips, tricks, and how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.